Okay, guys. Now everybody do this question, please. Question number 33. And you people have to do the peaks with respect to carbon 13 NMR. So giving you 3 minutes. So just tell me about it. Find out the peaks, that how much peaks for carbon 13 are possible for this compound. 3 peaks. Okay, Muskan, that's beautiful. You said 3. So let me find it out. You cut it up here into 2 equal parts. So this is the carbon, this is the carbon, this is CH2, this is CH2, and this is C, and this is C as well. So this carbon and this carbon, they are present in different environment. Why? Because this C double bond O is joined with C double bond O and C double bond O both sides, whereas this C double bond O is joined with CH2 and CH2 on both sides. So both are present in different environments. So this carbon has got 1, this is 2, and these two are present in the same environment 3, and these are present in the same environment 4. Muskan, these are 4, not 3, beta. Because you are taking it as the two same peaks. These are not same peaks because this one is joined with CH2 and this one is joined with the CH2. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, guys, this is the benzokene. Can you tell me that how much peaks for carbon 13 are possible? So you have to do this question as well. Do this question as well. So if you look up here, what you got, this is the triplet. This is the hydrogen NMR. So anyone could tell me how much carbon 13 peaks are possible for this one? Carbon 13, the carbon environment. Yes, guys, any one of you could tell me how much environment does it have?
5 or 6.
5 or 6, beta, accurate batao. 5 है कि 6 है. This is not the way. So this is the first environment of the carbon. This is the second environment. So 1, 2. Okay, this is the third peak.
6.
Third, this is the fourth one. And these two carbons, they are in same environment 5. This is 6 and this one is 7. So 7
और
और
6 कैसे है सर?
कौन सी 6 कैसे है?
जो 6 इसके ऊपर लिखे हैं सर, जो उसके दोनों से एक साइड में CH है, दूसरे की भी एक साइड में CH और एक
भाई
साइड
ये देखो, ये देखो, ये CH है,
जी
ये CH है,
बिल्कुल
CH है,
हाँ जी
CH है.
जी
आप जरा देखते जाओ, ये CH किसके साथ ज्वाइन है? कार्बन के साथ. कार्बन के साथ. और ये कार्बन आगे कंटिन्यू किसके साथ है? CO2 के साथ.
कंटिन्यू भी देखेंगे
जी सर. और यहाँ पे ये C है, ये C है क्योंकि साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर जो है, दिस वन इज कंटिन्यू विद N.
सर मैं खाली कार्बन
नॉट कार्बन. सिर्फ दो नहीं, आगे भी अगर साइक्लिक कंपाउंड आ जाएगा तो हैव टू कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट थिंग. ओके ओके. द होल क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू डू. This question is relating to the hydrogen NMR and carbon 13 NMR. Okay, guys, do the working with that. Okay, and tell me how much peaks are possible for carbon 13 NMR with respect to this compound. Okay, so just find out how much carbon 13 peaks are possible for this one. Okay, I'm going to draw the full
8
8. Okay, let's check it. This C2H52 mean that CH2 and CH3 on one side and CH2 and CH3 on one side. So these two carbons, they are present in the same environment. These carbons are present in the same environment. So this is 1, this is 2. This CH2, this carbon is present in the third environment. This carbon is present in the fourth environment. This carbon is present in the fifth environment. And these carbons, they are present in the same environment. Okay, so this is 6. These carbons, they are present in the same environment. So this is 7. These carbons, they are present in the same environment 8. And this carbon is present in the separate environment 9. So this one is going to form the 9 things. Okay, guys, if you look at this one, anyone could tell me if I'm going to draw the structure for this one up here, CH2 this is CH3, and here CH2, and this is CH3. So CH3 is joined with the CH2, so triplet and quadrat are present up here. Okay, so this is triplet and quadrat. So these two will form this one. Okay, and then you got the environment up here. This one is not having any neighboring hydrogen, so this one will form a singlet. So okay, so singlet is this one and singlet is this one. So this is CH3, my dear, and this is CH3. Okay, this is C and C. So they are not joined with anything which is having the hydrogen. So this is the fourth environment. This NH, this is also the hydrogen present up there. So this is the environment. Okay, and this whole thing that will form the multiplet. So multiplet is present up this one, 7.1. Okay, so सिंगलेट कितने होंगे एक वन टू एंड दिस वन थ्री या थ्री है तो वन टू एंड थ्री दिस वन यू गॉट इट ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स
Yes, sir.
okay guys this carbon 30 that is finished so your NMR that is completed now next time inshallah we will start with the electrophoresis okay